Many seniors who take blood pressure pills every day are unknowingly cancelling their own treatment and putting their heart at risk without even realizing it. In this video, I will reveal 5 common blood pressure medication mistakes seniors make and how to fix them safely, okay? Hello, my name is Nicholas. I am a pharmacy practitioner. I enjoy it when I dedicate my life on helping seniors to stay safe while managing high blood pressure safely, okay? So if you are over 55 years and you are taking blood pressure tablets, this video is especially important for you, okay? Please watch carefully and share it with someone who needs this information. So mistake number 1 is wrong timing. Many seniors take their blood pressure pills at random times each day. This causes unstable blood pressure control and unwanted side effects. Some medicines work best in the morning while others are safer at night, okay? Always follow your doctor's prescribed timing and stay consistent, okay? Mistake number 2 is skipping doses or taking extra. Missing doses and then doubling the next one is extremely dangerous and risky. It can cause sudden drops or spikes in your blood pressure, okay? Your medications must be taken regularly, not based on how you feel that day. Please note that. Well, let me quickly tell you this because it has already helped many people avoid blood pressure emergencies, okay? I offer a free service called Blood Pressure Care Connect. I created it specifically to help anyone on blood pressure medications to stay consistent and feel protected. Here is what I do personally, okay? Number 1, I remind you to take medications through WhatsApp, SMS, or a simple check-in call. Number 2, I follow up to make sure you actually took them, not just planned to. I help you track your doses, refill dates, and clinic revisits. I give pharmacist guidance when you are unsure or when something feels off. And lastly, if I notice a pattern such as skipping, delaying, or struggling, I will support you until you are back on track, okay? This is not spam. It is not automated. This is me making sure you are safe every single day, okay? If you want to join, just message me or comment in the comment section below, okay? Now, let us keep going. The third mistake is to take your blood pressure medications and mix them with the interfering foods or drinks, okay? This is what I exactly mean. Certain foods and drinks like excessive salt, alcohol, or grapefruit can weaken or dangerously boost the effect of your blood pressure medications. So, always ask your pharmacist if a food or supplement is safe with your pills, okay? The fourth mistake is to stop your blood pressure medications suddenly. If you decide to stop your blood pressure medications without consulting with your doctor, it can cause rebound hypertension. This is a sudden and dangerous rise in blood pressure. Never stop or reduce your dose without approval from your doctor, okay? So the fifth mistake is not monitoring your blood pressure. Many seniors take medications blindly without checking if they are actually working. So home blood pressure monitoring helps to detect problems early and also give valuable information to your doctor, okay? So please consider practicing that. Here is how to stay safe. To protect your heart and avoid these mistakes, remember the following, okay? Number 1, take medications at the same time every day. Number 2, use a pill organizer. Number 3, record your readings weekly. Number 4, speak to a healthcare professional before changing any dose, okay? Well, you are not careless. You simply were not given full guidance, okay? And today, you are taking control once more. If you care about your health and want clear pharmacist guidance every week, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, okay? I'll be glad to see you there. Like this video and share it with another senior who may be making these mistakes unknowingly. See you in the other video. Stay blessed.